Hello, and thank you for watching our video of the newly patented product that is informally called a manifold guard, designed and patented by Gary Cochran. The red object in the middle of the screen is the patented manifold guard. It is simply a series of steel tubes welded in a line with steel tubes welded at each end to house steel stakes to slide through, which hold the manifold guard firmly in place. This assembly is designed for maximum protection of water lines placed in a concrete slab. The number and size of the tubes on the manifold guard may vary depending on needs. As a general contractor or plumber, there is nothing more frustrating than finding the concrete crew or someone else had knocked your plumbing lines out of place or damaged the lines. There is one way to ensure your plumbing lines stay where you put them in concrete foundations. The manifold guard will keep plumbing lines protected and in place on your construction project, which will prevent you from wasting time breaking up concrete to move or repair water lines. By the way, the manifold guard is ideal for PEX and/or copper. Okay, the steel stabilization rods may be available as a kit with the manifold guard or may be sold separately. With the water lines inserted into the manifold guard, the guard can be pushed down into place. Now, the rods can be driven down and the bolts can be tightened against the rods to lock the manifold in place. Each tube is made from 16-gauge steel, giving the water lines better protection than a standard nail guard because of the 360-degree protection. Plus, it cannot be accidentally removed. Each tube is flared at the bottom to prevent abrasions and kinking of the water lines. For those that do not know, this diagram shows how the water will flow through the manifold guard. I am looking for a way to get my manifold guard on the plumbing supplier shelves. For more information, you can reach Gary on his cell 214-908-7260, work 972-438-8724, or email gary.c@trendbuilders.net. Thank you for watching.